Imagine earning passive income online without creating a product, handling customer service, or managing inventory. Welcome to Clickbank Affiliate Marketing, where anyone can turn clicks into cash. Ready to unlock this income stream? 1. Understanding Clickbank Affiliate Marketing. What is Clickbank? Clickbank is a global online marketplace that connects product creators with affiliate marketers. Affiliates, like you, can promote these products and earn a commission on each sale. Why choose Clickbank? Clickbank offers thousands of products in various niches, including health, fitness, finance, and self-improvement. They also provide higher than average commissions, often between 50% and 75% of the sale, which is rare in affiliate marketing. Pros and cons. Pros: high commissions, wide range of products, user-friendly interface. Cons: some low-quality products, and competition can be high in popular niches. 2. Setting up your Clickbank account. Visit Clickbank's website and click on Sign Up. Fill out the registration form with your name, email, phone number, and preferred language. Select your payment preference. Clickbank allows payment via check, direct deposit, or wire transfer. Make sure to choose an option that works for your location. Verify your account through the confirmation email and complete your profile. A professional profile helps build credibility, especially if Clickbank decides to conduct a review. 3. Choosing a niche. Why niche selection matters. Choosing a specific niche helps you target a focused audience, leading to higher conversions. By becoming knowledgeable in one area, you'll build trust and authority with your audience. Profitable niches. Health and fitness, for example, weight loss, supplements. Wealth and finance, for example, online business, investing. Personal development, for example, self-help, motivation. How to choose your niche. Pick a niche that interests you, has high demand, and offers products with high gravity scores on Clickbank, explained in the next step. This ensures you'll enjoy working in it and see consistent earnings. 4. Finding the right product to promote. Clickbank Marketplace. Go to the Clickbank Marketplace, where you can explore products by category. Filter results by gravity score, popularity, or commission to find high-performing products. Understanding gravity score. Gravity score indicates the number of affiliates who have recently made sales with that product. A higher gravity suggests popularity and demand but may also mean more competition. Other factors to consider. Average commission. Look for products that offer a high commission per sale to maximize your income. Product quality. Look at reviews, vendor credibility, and refund rates. Promoting quality products will help retain your audience's trust. Select multiple products. Consider selecting a few related products that fit your niche. This way, you can test which products convert better without being dependent on a single one. 5. Setting up a content strategy. What is a content strategy? This is the plan for creating and sharing content that promotes your affiliate links. Great content builds trust and drives traffic to your affiliate products. Types of content to create. Blog posts, write product reviews, comparisons, or how-to guides that naturally incorporate your affiliate links. YouTube videos. Share video tutorials, reviews, or best of lists, and include your affiliate links in the video description. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to share snippets of value and direct traffic to your content. Building trust with your audience. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and genuinely recommend products you believe in. Honest recommendations yield higher conversions. 6. Setting up and cloaking affiliate links. Generate your affiliate link. After selecting a product, click on the Promote button in Clickbank. Enter your unique affiliate ID to generate a link, which will track your sales. Why cloak your links? Cloaking, shortening, links with tools like Bitly or Pretty Links makes them look cleaner and more professional. Cloaked links can also boost click-through rates since they appear less suspicious to users. Example: Instead of a long URL with numbers, your link might look like bit.ly/bestfitnesstips, making it more user-friendly. 7. Promoting your affiliate links. Organic traffic strategies. SEO, search engine optimization, optimize blog posts, YouTube descriptions, and other content to rank on search engines. Social media marketing, regularly share content on social platforms, focusing on the value you provide rather than just the sales pitch. Paid traffic strategies, Google Ads, run ads targeting keywords related to your product. While it requires a budget, Google Ads can generate fast traffic. Social media ads, platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow targeted ads based on user interests and demographics. Email marketing, collect email addresses via lead magnets, like free guides, and use email newsletters to promote products. Build a list of loyal subscribers for ongoing promotions. 8. Tracking and optimizing your results. Clickbank Analytics. Use Clickbank's Analytics dashboard to track clicks, sales, and conversion rates. This insight helps you see what's working and make improvements. Key metrics to monitor. Conversion rate, the percentage of clicks that turn into sales. Earnings per click, EPC, your average revenue for each click. Experiment and improve. Test different content formats, messaging, and platforms. Analyze your results to refine your approach and focus on what delivers the best returns. Clickbank affiliate marketing is an accessible way to make money online with minimal investment. By choosing a niche, picking quality products, promoting effectively, and analyzing results, you can steadily increase your earnings. It's a journey, but with patience and persistence, the potential rewards can be substantial. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more affiliate marketing tips, and leave a comment if you're ready to start earning with Clickbank. Thanks for watching. Prince Sam Official loves you all.